Now, when you get into new spaces like humanoid robots, some of the barriers here are things like dexterity. Everybody agrees the human hand is amazing. There's no robot hand that can touch it. So we need to make advances in areas like that. So you mentioned policies earlier that or regulations. We're a big advocate that we're going to need more standards, especially when it comes to humanoids, whether they're in factories or one day in our homes. So we need to all work together to develop industry standards in that space. A3 is taking the lead in that with others, but this has to happen fast because that's a fast-moving technology.
Right. You're just saying that, and in my head I'm thinking, what is the timeline? What do you see as a timeline for as a reasonable timeline for this workforce to come back to the US with these technologies, with these advancements?
Well, it can't happen soon enough. I mean, we want to open as many new facilities as we can. We know they're going to be highly automated. And so we've got to get this training going. And so whatever the government can do to support it. And again, we've laid out what we think. Others may have other ideas, but we need to get this going.
Can you tell me what the Congress people came away with after this caucus? Can you tell me what they're seeing for the future?
I can tell you that each of the congressmen spoke very positively about the future. I can tell you that bills are being drafted and language is being written on what we might do to have a national robotic strategy. Now, look, is this going to happen overnight? It's hard to say because you need bipartisan support. You need, obviously, in Washington, the administration is going to be involved, and they're, you know, they've supported robotics. I mean, they've supported AI with executive orders. There's talk about they might support robotics with executive orders. So we'll see. We'll see where it goes. But we're very encouraged. Now, I've been doing this for over 4 decades. I've never seen this much government interest in robotics. This is a great thing. And if they uh, follow our recommendations or others, we could be in a really strong spot in terms of American leadership in robotics.